Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor Sujata Vaidya from Arihant Institute of Teacher Training. Today in this video we are going to learn the concept of education. Friends, in our day-to-day life we come across the word education so many times. Also we educate ourselves right from pre-primary level to university level. But what does education actually mean? So let us understand the concept of education through this video. Education word is derived from the Latin word educare, that means to nourish, to raise. Educere, to lead, to draw out. Educatum, that means the art of teaching. And E plus duco. E means out of and duco means to draw out of. That means education means to draw out the inner capabilities of the human being or individual. Now let us understand what does narrow meaning of education says. Limited to schooling, education is planned and systematic process. Education is only acquisition of knowledge and skill. Education is limited to only instruction, means merely getting bookish knowledge and passing the examination and getting the degree. Narrow education is teacher oriented. It is not student centered. Now let us understand the broad meaning of education. Education is a lifelong process, means starting from our birth till death we are educating ourselves from some or other sources. Education is beyond schooling. The ultimate aim of education is overall development of the human being. Education is from different sources. Education is the process of development from infancy till maturity, and education is based on innate capabilities, and broad meaning of education is child centered. Now let us understand the broader meaning of education in the view of Indian thinkers. According to the Rigveda, education which makes man self-reliant and selfless. According to Upanishad, the end product of education is to get salvation. According to Kautilya, education means training for the country and love for the nation. According to Shankaracharya, education is the realization of self. According to Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of the divine perfection already existing in man. As we all know that every individual is different, so each and every individual is having different innate capabilities in them. So what is the function of education? To draw out or to extract out the inner capabilities or inherent capabilities amongst the individual. According to Mahatma Gandhi ji, education means to draw out the best in child and man's body, mind and spirit. Friends, all-round development means the social development, cultural development, economic development, political development, intellectual development, cultural development, etc. Now let us understand the concept of education according to the Western thinkers. According to John Dewey, education is a process of living through a continuous reconstruction of experiences. Friends, in our day-to-day life we get so many experiences. So what is the function of education? We have to reconstruct our own experiences. According to Aristotle, education is creation of a sound mind in sound body. According to Pestology, education is the natural, harmonious and progressive development of man's innate powers. So friends, the definition of Pestology is exactly same to the definition of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda also said that Education is the manifestation of perfection which is already within the man. According to Pestology, overall development is there, but what type of overall development? It should be natural, it should be harmonious, and it should be progressive development of man's innate powers. Herbert Spencer, education is complete living. According to Plato, education is the capacity to feel pleasure and pain at the right moment. Now, let us understand the nature of education. Education is a systematic and planned process. In this education process, everything is planned and systematic. Education is a lifelong and continuous process. Right from our birth till our death, we are educating or trying to educate ourselves from some or other sources. Education is a natural process. Education is the change in the behavior or modification in the behavior. The ultimate aim of education is to change in the behavior of the individual. Education is bipolar process. That means there are two poles in education. One is teacher and other is student. Education is tripolar process. Which is the third pole here now? One is teacher, one is student, and the third pole is community environment. Then education is the development of individual and society. Education is the act of teaching. Thank you, students.